Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you how to use Aimogenin with Together.ai, and this will be possible with the custom OpenAI compatible API feature of the plugin. So first of all, go to Aimogenin settings menu, API keys tab, select in the main API service provide selector custom OpenAI compatible API. And now let me show you how to enter this data. So first go to Together.ai, register your account, set it up, everything will be needed to be working. So billing, set up an account and go to API keys here in the Together.ai settings. You can find API keys and copy your API key or create a new key here. This key needs to be pasted here. Afterwards, go to Together.ai menu here and click the main page and click Docs. So after you click Docs, you will need to extract some information from them. So scroll down and click See URL, because this is where you will find their URL. This is their base URL for the API before the V1. So everything which is before V1 needs to be copied and pasted in the OpenAI compatible API based URL. So paste it here. All we need to do now is add a list of AI models that we need to use. So for example, we can use directly the model which is mentioned in this example and paste it in the model list. If you want to add more models, hit enter and add another model. But these are needed to be supported by the Together.ai, so you can check their supported models in their documentation. Okay, so for example, let's use this model. Hit save now. Don't forget to always save settings. And after you save this, you will see that if you go to the chatbot, for example, you can refresh the chatbot page, and in the bot configuration, in the bot model, you can select the MetaLlama OpenAI compatible model that we just entered in the settings of the plugin here. And all you need to do is save settings once again here also. And let's check. So we can check if things are working. Here it is. The full response appeared, and we can also enable a response streaming. So the responses appear on the fly as they are generated by the AI. So let's ask again, hi, and it is. The responses appear faster as they are appearing as characters are generated by the AI. So this is how you will be able to set up Together.ai in Aimogenin using the OpenAI compatible API feature of it. Aimogenin is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have ideas, suggestions. Everything is fine here. Okay, bye bye.